Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the delightful town of Jensen Beach, Florida. Located on the Treasure Coast, between Fort Pierce and West Palm Beach, this charming community offers a blend of rich history, natural beauty, and vibrant local culture. Jensen Beach's story begins in the late 19th century with John Lawrence Jensen, a Danish immigrant who settled in the area. By 1895, the town had earned the title, Pineapple Capital of the World, shipping over 1 million boxes of pineapples annually. This pineapple heritage is still celebrated today, notably through the annual Pineapple Festival, which brings the community together for music, crafts, and, of course, delicious pineapple treats. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to enjoy in Jensen Beach. The main public beach, known as Jensen Sea Turtle Beach, is a wide sandy stretch along the Atlantic Ocean. It's not only perfect for sunbathing, surfing, and swimming but also serves as a nesting ground for sea turtles, including the loggerhead, leatherback, and green sea turtles. During nesting season, sections of the beach are protected to ensure these magnificent creatures can lay their eggs safely. Beyond the beach, the town's waterways make it a top destination for fishing, boating, sailing, paddling, and even scuba diving. Indian Riverside Park is another local gem, offering walking paths, picnic areas, and access to the Children's Museum of the Treasure Coast, making it a great spot for families to spend the day. Whether you're drawn by its storied past, natural wonders, or lively cultural scene, Jensen Beach offers a warm welcome and a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered.
watching.